Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ellis Talton. I'm a SVP at Briq. Quick question, has anyone taken a Waymo recently, a Waymo trip? Show of hands, there's a couple, okay. You're in one piece, that's good. I love Waymo, I think it's a great product, great technology. And so I asked this question as I say, if we can teach an AI how to drive a car, can we also teach AI how to run a business? And when I say run a business, I don't mean summarize an email or generate meeting notes. What I really mean is teach an AI how the business functions. Teach it the workflows, teach it the business logic, teach it the exceptions on which that business runs. Of course, the answer is yes, we think we can. That's exactly what we're doing at Briq. We see a world where, in the same way the roads will be autonomous, the offices in business will also be autonomous. We don't do this for every single industry or every single business out there. We focus on construction. And construction is a very unique industry. It's a big market. It's $2 trillion in the US alone. Contractors I don't know if there are any contractors in the room today, but if there are, come talk to me. Contractors are under intense pressure in the United States right now. They're building critical infrastructure, hospitals, airports, roads, and the data centers and the power plants that are fueling the AI revolution. If you're an electrical contractor, you're probably having a great time, you're very busy, but you have a massive problem. You do not have enough people. There's a huge labor shortage in construction. For every person hired, 2 people are leaving. There's 400,000 open recs right now. And on top of this, it's a tough business model. At best, you're doing 5%. If you're maybe in the trade, you're doing 10%. You're operating on very manual, high transaction business workflows, a lot of PDF processing. And you're running legacy software. I call it Reagan-era software. It's been around since Ronald Reagan. It's old stuff. It doesn't integrate well with APIs. Sounds like a great problem for AI, so that's exactly what we've built. It's called Auto. Think of it as like your agent's agent. It's like a superconductor for agents. It sits on top. We have a library of 20 agents that we've built that cover specific segments of the entire construction business stack. I'll show you exactly what some of these look like. So think about things like finding new work, running that job, doing an analysis on blueprints, procuring materials, paying for those materials, paying your laborers, getting paid by your customers. All of the things that a company does, we have an agent for that we've trained how to do. We've built logic into it. We've given it a stack of technologies like computer vision to read documents, LLMs to decide what to do next in a workflow. Most importantly, computer use. The ability to log into this old software and actually take action on that software, if you will, drive it like a Waymo drives. And so this is to us what the autonomous workplace looks like. Really important in construction. If we can help companies that are 200 employees operate like they're 250 or 300 employees, it's a huge win for them. Reducing workflow times by 80%. If you can add 2 points of margin in a construction business, you've really taken off a lot of pressure, and we need that in a world where we need them to build data centers and power plants. So we're at 300 customers today. We've been around for a while. We were invited here by Nemetschek, who's a great partner of ours. Our companies build for some of the largest companies in the world, general contractors, specialty, and then a growing sector in the manufacturing and energy industry. So if you want to talk more about the autonomous workforce and construction in general, would love to talk to you. Briq.ai, check us out. Thanks, everybody.